We are looking at differentiability at a point, and we're looking at the graphical representations here. Okay, so they're saying a function is graphed, dashed lines represent asymptotes, and then they're asking select all x values for which f is not differentiable. So basically, we cannot have no vertical asymptotes, no vertical asymptotes on a graph, even though it's goes through it. This would be like an undefined slope. So differentiability means you have to have basically a slope at that spot. So if it goes straight up and down, that would be slope undefined. So that's not possible. It has to be continuous, so you can't have any gaps either. All right, so no shooting off into infinity, no vertical slant or no vertical slope, and you can't lift up your pen or pencil. It has to be continuous. So let's go ahead and take a look at those, see if we have any of these cases. All right, so everything looks okay except for at 0. So at 0, we have that asymptote. So just 0 on this one. -9's okay, 5's okay, 9 is okay, just 0. Okay, let's take a look at the next one. Just be careful, read these carefully because they can be a little bit tricky. Vertical tangent at x equals 1, so -1. So that is no good. You can't have a slope that's undefined. So that's no good. Look here at -3, it jumps, so no on -3, and everything else looks okay. So that's the game here, is no vertical slant, no skipping or lifting up your pencil, and no going off into infinity at an asymptote. So that's at -3 and -1. Okay. Oh, I forgot about this one. No cusp. So this is no good, okay. No good also, not okay. Okay, so that one is not possible. Here we got a cusp, or it shoots up and it's undefined basically at that point, because it's like the idea of a vertical slant here. So that is no good right there at 2, and everything else looks okay. So no at 2. And everything else looks fine. And let's see, vertical tangent at x equals 3. So no at 3, vertical slope. Lift up your pen or pencil right here, and at -9, it just stops right here. So it's kind of like that vertical slope again. So I'd say no on the -9, and I'd say no on the +9 also, because it stops. So you can kind of imagine at that moment, it has that vertical aspect. So I would say at all those values. Let's see. -3, 0, 3, 6. Nope. So just on these, -3. 0's okay, and 3. So I just got -3 and 3. All right. So it'd have to be defined here at 9 for it to be not allowed. So it's hard to kind of tell with what we kind of see here. But -3 and 3 is what I get here.